Hello friends, in this video we will take you through the shopping heavens of Singapore, Bugis and the Chinatown. This video will help you to know what all you need to buy and what all things you need to know before going into the shopping spree in the Singapore shopping heavens. We are exploring one of Singapore's most iconic shopping destinations, Boogie Street. Whether you are a tourist looking for a souvenirs or a local hunting for bargains, Boogie Street has something for everyone. One of the major highlights of Boogie Street is its affordable fashion. You can find trendy clothes, shoes and accessories at great price. From the latest fashion trends to unique local designs, Boogie Street is a fashion paradise. And let's not forget about the food. Boogie Street is home to a variety of street food stalls, offering delicious local snacks and meats. It's a perfect place to take a break and refuel after a long day of shopping. Now, if you're wondering how to get to Boogie Street from Little India, it's actually quite easy. You can take an MRT from Little India to Bugis MRT station. From there, it's just a short walk. As you explore Boogie Street, don't forget to bargain. Many vendors are open to negotiation, so don't be afraid to ask for a better price. Also, keep an eye for special deals and discounts, especially if you're buying in bulk. When it comes to what to buy, there are many things to buy from Boogie Street. Singapore is known for its orchids. Be sure to pick up some orchid-inspired souvenirs. You will also find a range of electronics, accessories and beauty products at great price. Next, let's dive into the vibrant streets of Singapore Chinatown. A shopping heaven filled with culture, history and amazing finds. Whether you are a tourist or a local, Chinatown offers a unique shopping experience that you won't be able to find anywhere else. One of the major highlights of Chinatown is its bustling markets, where you can find a range of souvenirs, trinkets and traditional Chinese goods. From ornate chopsticks to beautiful silk garments, Chinatown is a perfect place to pick up a unique gift or keep safe. If you're interested in traditional Chinese medicine, Chinatown is a place to be. You'll find a variety of shops selling herbs, remedies and health products. And let's not forget about the food. Chinatown is home to some of the best street food in Singapore. From mouth-watering dumplings to savory noodles, you will find a range of delicious dishes to try. It's a perfect place to sample authentic Chinese cuisine. When it comes to what to buy, there are a few must-haves from Chinatown. Singapore is known for its jade, so be sure to pick up some jade jewelry or ornaments. You'll also find a variety of traditional Chinese clothing, accessories and home decor items. Now, if you're wondering how to get to Chinatown, it's actually quite easy. You can take the MRT to the Chinatown MRT station. From there, it's just a short walk. Bargaining is common in Chinatown, so don't be afraid to negotiate for a better price. Also, keep an eye for special deals and discounts, especially if you're buying in bulk. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more traveling and shopping tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.